Are you excited to discover the future of tech? Here are the 10 greatest Amazon gadgets of 2025 that are guaranteed to blow your mind. From cutting-edge tools to game-changing designs, let's dive in.
Hoist titanium wallets, a compact and durable wallet designed to last a lifetime. This isn't your ordinary wallet. Made from aerospace-grade titanium, it features RFID protection to keep your cards and data safe. Its sleek, slim design fits perfectly in your pocket while standing up to wear and tear. The EOS wallet is the ultimate accessory for anyone looking for style and function in one gadget. Next, meet the Geo Scan part. Parking frustration? Solved. This smart gadget scans parking lots to find available spots in seconds. Its high-precision sensors and smartphone app integration make parking stress-free. Whether you're in a busy city or at the mall, this gadget saves time and fuel, making it a game-changer for drivers everywhere, calling all tech enthusiasts. The Dockcase Smart SSD enclosure redefines portable storage. Not only does it house your SSD securely, but its built-in screen provides real-time data health monitoring. With added shock protection and a sleek design, this gadget ensures your data stays accessible and safe wherever you are. You've never seen a chair like the human Hoist chair, perfect for mechanics, engineers, or DIY enthusiasts. This innovative chair adjusts its position to help you work effortlessly under cars or in other tight spaces. With its high comfort and hydraulic design, the Hoist chair takes the strain out of your work, letting you focus on what matters. Here's a gadget that will mesmerize everyone: the magnetic floating globe. Using advanced magnetic levitation, the globe appears to defy gravity while slowly spinning under its base. It's more than a desk ornament. It's a conversation starter and a showcase of futuristic design. If you're a watch lover, you'll be amazed by the Urwerk UR112 aggregate. This timepiece is built with cutting-edge engineering and a futuristic aesthetic. Its digital display features jumping hours and crawling minutes, offering precision and a striking design that captures the spirit of modern horology. Need a reliable flashlight? Look no further than the FitTorch K2. Small enough for your pocket but powerful enough to light up the dark, it offers up to 2,000 lumens of brightness. Whether you're hiking or experiencing a power outage, this is the flashlight you'll always want by your side. Gamers, this one's for you, the Thumby Keychain. It's an ultra-tiny game console built into a keychain, yet it delivers classic games and endless fun. Yes, it's adorable, but it's also powerful, with retro games that transport you back to the golden age of gaming, all right from your pocket.